you run a faceless YouTube channel or plan to run a faceless YouTube channel, you need to watch this video because the new YouTube Partners Program policy that takes effect from July 15th actually affects you, and in a way you need to really understand if your channel is safe or if the channel you're planning to create, that is your faceless YouTube channel that you're planning to create, if it is going to be safe, and the things that you can actually do to improve your faceless YouTube channel so that it doesn't get hacked by YouTube, or the things you should actually be working on if you are planning to start a faceless YouTube channel so that it doesn't get hacked by YouTube. Because trust me, YouTube money is sweet. Now imagine that your channel is already monetized, it's an AI channel, it's a faceless channel, and then all of a sudden, because of the new YouTube Partners Program policy, your monetized channel that is already giving you maybe $1,000, $2,000 monthly has now been demonetized and maybe banned from using YouTube. You do not want that. So make sure you stick around and understand what I'm about to tell you in this video. Take note of it and go and make the necessary adjustments where necessary. Now, for the sake of those of you seeing me for the very first time, my name is Mandy, Rachael, and on this channel, I share tips with you that you can actually use to leverage on your smartphone device to make money online. Recently, I hit 5,000 subscribers. Thank you so much to each and every one of you that have subscribed to this channel so far. Now, if you're seeing me for the very first time, why don't you just tap on that subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, join the family, tap on the bell icon right beside it, turn on post notifications for all of my videos so that when I drop new videos, you are going to be the first to know, because YouTube will personally notify you. That is how special you are going to be to me and to this my YouTube channel. So what are you waiting for? Tap on that subscribe button right now. Don't forget, give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your fellow friends that are planning to start a faceless YouTube channel or have already started faceless YouTube channels and currently worried about this new policy by YouTube, and you know how it's going to affect their channel and all of that stuff. Send this to them, let them come and watch and learn and get the reassurance that they need, because YouTube is not actually against faceless channels. YouTube is just against lazy creators. Now, being a faceless channel does not mean you should be lazy or you should start recycling content that you've already posted before, or somebody has already posted it, you saw that it is doing well, you just want to go and you want to just post it as well and farm traffic, farm engagement. Because why? Faceless channels, AI channels are getting a lot of traction, they are getting a lot of views, but now YouTube is about to say enough is enough. I am no longer going to reward lazy creators. Now I want to reward people that are actually putting in the effort into their channel, be it a faceless channel, be it a face channel like this my channel. Anyone, anyhow you want to put it, it has to be with effort, because YouTube has always maintained that they reward creators' efforts, right? Creators' effort in their YouTube Partners Program. So how do you want to do this and how does this affect you? Let us get right into it. First and foremost, you need to understand that this new policy is not targeting you because you're a faceless channel. No. For the fact that you're a faceless channel does not mean YouTube has a problem with you. No. It is targeting AI generated or templated videos that have synthetic voices, reused content, edited clips, like something that is not really giving value. You're just posting it for the sake of posting because after all, it's AI content and is a faceless channel. Let me just post. You are posting for posting's sake. Those are the kind of content that this new YouTube policy is going to be directed at. Also, this new policy is going to be affecting those channels that post repetitive content using repetitive formats. The same day, every day, you will post this one video 1,000,001 times just because this video is already doing well and you feel like, okay, let me milk it. You'll not be posting it again, posting it again, posting it again, posting it again, without any changes, without any tweak, without any originality, without no value, without nothing. YouTube said enough is enough and we are no longer going to be monetizing you, because there are actual creators out there putting in the real work, even if it's a faceless channel, AI channel, or a face channel. Those are the people that we want to reward now going forward in the YouTube Partners Program. Now, in YouTube words, right, they said it is not the faceless channels that are the problem, it is the inauthentic content lacking originality. So please try to infuse some little bit of originality into your videos. Now, the solution to this that I'm going to provide to you, especially for those of you already into faceless channels or you want to start faceless channels, you can use your own voice to do voiceover instead of using AI voice. Do you understand? You can use your own voice to do the voiceover. Now, when you're doing educational content or creating slideshows and all of those things, you've used the AI to do the slideshows, to do the images and everything. You can use your own voice, okay, to do the voicing. You can actually do like a kind of like a mini avatar of yourself or something and place it on the video and talk over it and even show yourself like a mini one. It will just, you know, it will just be at one small corner of your video and just be saying it while the AI thing that you've already created will be moving. For those of you using AI images, you understand? So just put effort. Let YouTube see that, this person don't try. Make it pay our money. Sure, you understand what I'm trying to say? Now, if you still don't want to show your face, because what's now the point of having a faceless channel if you are now eventually putting your face in that small corner like I suggested earlier? There's no problem. You don't still have to show your face, so just make sure that the content you're putting out there is actually giving out value and try to avoid repetitive content that are inauthentic. I know it's more like a recycled thing. Everybody's using the same templates, everybody's using the same voiceover, everybody's using the same AI this thing. Like, it doesn't make sense. YouTube said enough is enough. Now, I'm going to be summarizing 5 ways for you to actually remain in the YouTube Partners Program for those of you already monetized, and those of you not yet monetized, you're planning it. Things you should actually take note of, okay? But 1, had a real human input. It could be maybe, you know, like I said earlier, use voiceovers. You don't have to use AI voicing. Use your own natural God-given voice. Use it. Do you understand? And secondly, after AI has generated some things for you, the scripting, the everything, try to also add your own input and tweak it. You understand? Tweak it a little bit. You don't have to rely 100% on AI, so that at least YouTube will know that this person don't put effort. You understand what I'm saying? Number 2, transform your reused content. Yes, you want to repost that content because the content is doing well, but don't just repost it like that. Add a little bit of Maggi, curry and thyme and just transform it a little bit so that it looks different and YouTube does not think, oh, this person is trying to do us while you. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So try to add a little bit of tweaks and make it look like, oh, actually they put effort in this, Abby, so that they would reward you. 3, diversify your formats. Don't just stay in one place. You can do a little bit of animation, add a little bit of slideshow. Some of it is one picture, one still picture that you will put in the background and you will use AI to voice it from beginning to the end. No, it's not good like that. It's not good like that. Diversify. At least let there be cut and join, clip and clips. You understand what I'm trying to say? Like, maybe some parts you have moving objects, moving images, some parts maybe still pictures, some parts maybe explainers, text. Put effort so that they will know that at least AI cannot do all these things. You must have generated all of these things individually with AI. You now use your hand and an editing app, maybe like CapCut, to clip everything together. Do voiceover with your own natural voice, your God-given voice, and just make it look real, make it look worth it, make it look valuable, but faceless. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Then the number 5 thing, be transparent. See, there's one thing that YouTube hates. It is mago. YouTube hates it. Be transparent. If the thing you're doing is AI generated, you see that place where they ask you to tick when you're trying to upload your video and say, is this AI generated? Let them know it's AI. Let them know. Don't try and do like this. You understand? No. You don't need it. Be transparent. YouTube loves transparency more than anything else in this world. So be transparent. The bottom line is this: faceless isn't forbidden, okay? But value-driven content will now be given top priority. So even if you are doing a face channel and you don't get value, your channel is not safe. Especially those of you that do reaction videos, even though YouTube does not have anything against reaction videos, but they are telling you, if you're doing reactions, put some effort. Everybody is downloading the same thing and doing it, like, it doesn't make sense. So you need to put in some effort. That's the bottom line. Whether you want to do faceless, whether you want to do face, is not the problem. But YouTube wants to boost the quality of their platform because they realize that a lot of people want to now turn their platform to a dumping site for all these AI generated content, and they are saying no. We are now going to be more strict and we want to actually reward creators putting effort, not creators trying to you understand what I'm trying to say? So that's that. So if you know you run a faceless AI channel, go and audit your channel right now and check one or two things that needs to be removed. Let it be gone before the 15th of July. Okay, go and check it. And if you are planning to start, take note of all of these things so that all of your effort is not put into waste, and you know you've been doing it at the point of monetization. YouTube will now tell you, we don't want you because your content is not original enough or something like that. Okay, so guys, stay safe out there, and I promise you, don't worry, relax, relax, relax. There's no problem. There's no problem. This YouTube money, we're going to make it together, but let's do it clean. Okay, let's do it clean, and let's put in a little bit of effort into what we're doing, and not just come and be dumping AI content over here. If you have any question regarding this video, any question at all, let me know in the comment section. If there's anything you want me to talk about, maybe teach on this channel, let me also know in the comment section. I'll be glad to actually do that for you. And if you've watched up until this point, you're yet to subscribe, I just want to remind you that you need to tap on that subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that'll be all for now from me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, keep being amazing, and bye.